Hey comrade, welcome! Thanks for joining me today. My name is Marko, and today we got a new Vita port. Splinter Cell Conviction is here, so let's check it out. Yes, indeed, another Gameloft old school masterpiece is here. Huge thanks to Rinne for making it happen. His hard work is greatly appreciated by all the Vita comrades. Also, this is a port of Splinter Cell Conviction based on the Android version of the game, not on the Xbox 360 version. And with that said, let's begin with the installation instructions. As per usual, you need jailbroken, modded, hacked PS Vita, and you need PC or phone to transfer the necessary files over to your Vita. Step 1. Install 3 plugins, Kubridge, FDFix, and share the compiler. If you have any other Android port running on your Vita, you already have installed all of them. If not, you can always use this application, it can install it automatically. Just please do not install too many plugins, cause then there might be some issues. Step 2. Get the game files, extract them and copy over to your UX0 data/Splinter Cell folder. That's it, job done. All is left to do is to install VPK and have some fun. I cannot really go step by step in here, but you just need to follow a few lines of text. What I can do is to show you the size of my Splinter Cell folder. It is 490 megabytes and is working absolutely fine. And these are all the contents of my Splinter Cell folder. Gameloft games, Splinter Cell, data, and that's pretty much it. If your folder structure looks like this, it's gonna be working okay. Here are also instructions how to get intro of the game to run properly. And now let's get into gaming. But before we're gonna launch the game, we wanna go here into configure. Here we can play with few options. First is Xperia Play Resolution. If you tick it, it's gonna render the game at Xperia Play Resolution. This makes UI and some 2D effects render correctly at the cost of a lower 3D quality. Here it's also showing us the difference. This is enabled, this is disabled. I'm keeping it enabled. Next is fog rendering, make the game render fog for distant geometries. Enabled, disabled, I'm leaving disabled. Next is hide joystick, it's gonna hide the joystick on the screen, I wanna keep it hidden. And same with hide keypad, I'm gonna keep it hidden. Next we have graphical preset, higher settings will make more entities render, higher draw distance for entities and world and more graphical effects. We can do high, medium and low. You can nicely see the difference in here. I'm keeping it at high. Then we have draw distance, I'm leaving it at 100. Anti-aliasing, I'm leaving at this. Frame rate, I'm putting at 60. And camera slowdown, I'm putting at 20. Higher values will make the camera move less with analog movement, so this is the slowest it can get. Now let's get into save and launch the game. Now let's play the game. It plays good, I like it. Right joystick sensitivity is about okay. Maybe I would go even slower than this, but I cannot, that's as slow as it goes. It is a release 1.0, so first release. In spite of that, it's very enjoyable and it plays so much better than on the Xperia Play touch-based discs. Joysticks are gonna be still joysticks. Superior, of course. This port is definitely worth installing if you are a fan of these older Gameloft remakes of popular games. No, it is not a proper one-to-one console quality port. I still think there is a lot of charm in it and you should try it out if you haven't already. It's a Splinter Cell game, third-person stealth kind of shooter. I'm not really into stealth games, but this is not like a proper stealth game, so it's fun to relive some of these 2012 memories. From what I've played, the frame rate was mostly okay, even when I put it to 60 FPS. There were some stutter here and there, but nothing major. I forgot to mention, but I fully overclocked it. There were also some issues with audio, sometimes it was randomly cutting off, then 30 seconds later it was okay. Not really a deal breaker, but you're gonna notice it. It is a release 1.0, so I'm sure some quality of life improvements are coming our way sooner or later. I haven't encountered any crashes or unexpected bugs. This is a solid first release in my opinion. Thumbs up to Rinne for keeping Vita homebrew spirit high. It's always a pleasure to try his newest releases. I know plenty of you were really excited for this game when I was giving some teasers in my previous videos. Now it's here, so please stop watching this video right now and go install it on your modded Vita. But first, give this video a like, comment, subscribe, join if you enjoyed it. Big thanks also to all of my Patreons and joiners. Your support is vital and it keeps my spirit high, alongside exciting new ports. Peace! Whoa. RPG.
Inbound on your position, and from where you're at, you're a sitting duck. Now get to that group of stalls in the market. There's a lot of cover for you there. It's the end, Fisher! You're over! It's the end, Fisher! You're over!
You better find some cover. Got him. Getting drive away, this spot nearby.